Protests right now getting very tense in the downtown Indianapolis area. Now, we've just seen tear gas in the last few minutes. In fact, we had to move our TV crews out of the way to keep them safe. Tonight, at 11, our Emily Longnecker is showing us how the rest of tonight went.
Scott, people of all different backgrounds came to this circle today. Many saying what happened in
Okay, as you can see, we're most certainly not in Indianapolis right now. It is because we are up north in the great state of Michigan. We decided to, you can see behind me, we went camping. We are camping, rather. It's probably the longest time I have spent outside in quite a while. And it is starting to get to me, and it's definitely starting to get to Madeline too. Our allergies are completely flaring up. There's so much pollen, look at this. There's so much pollen floating around in the air, getting on the car, it's getting on our tent. There's definitely something positive, and the positive thing to report is that is wind, if you don't know. The treetops are moving, and it definitely has my attention, so if you'll excuse me for 1 minute while I So, by the time I'm recording this, it has been a day after that kite scene that you just watched. This week I kind of wanted to make up for missing last week with 2 different versions of a vlog. I really wanted to show some kiting out in Michigan, so we just did that. And now we're at a campground that I've never been to, but it's actually really, it's kind of a hidden gem, to be honest with you. So the place is called Hill and Hollow Campground, and it's in Pentwater, Michigan. And it's like 20 minutes south of Leadington, which is one of my favorite towns of all time in Michigan. And we're tent camping. You can see right here, we got the car parked right there. And we got like this little fort that nobody uses. We put our firewood in there for when it rained, and that was super convenient. But on the other side of the hill is our tent site, and there is nobody else around us except over there. You got this road that goes all the way around. By the way, the showers and the bathrooms are a fair distance away from their tent sites, so either a bicycle or something like a one wheel is a must. But they have a basketball court, they have a playground, a fish cleaning thing right here. This isn't actually even open, but they got this nice heated pool right here. This is one of the only open campgrounds we can find that allowed tent camping and had open bathrooms, and they sterilized the bathrooms every day, which is really nice. But you got the bathrooms like right here and over here. Got this nice little lounge area, also right next to the pool. I mean, this is super nice. This is like what your shower looks like. Typical like campground shower. Get this thing. Like you press the thing and it goes. You have water. Yeah, pretty good. The night that it was cold, the water wasn't terribly hot, but as the temperatures got warmer, the water got warmer, so we'd actually have a hot shower. So all the way back here, this is us. Nice and quiet. The only thing we can really hear is the road, and we can hear coyotes at night. But this hill has kind of been, I've had a love-hate relationship with this hill with the one wheel. You gotta get like a running start. Woo! Then up the hill and through this little path here is our little home that we've made for the last few days. So that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Sorry I didn't upload last week, but I'm trying to make it up this week with 2 videos. The other video, I'm going through the ins and outs of that thing back there, that tent. First time buyers of a tent, so I think we did a pretty decent job kind of going through what an amateur car camper might expect out of this thing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. This right here is coming right at us.